Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Everyone will be wondering what is UiPath, how it works, and how we can start using UiPath tool. So let's get started with UiPath introduction. UiPath is an RPA tool. RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. UiPath handle automation with developing small tasks in coding language, which is also called as bot. And when we run the bot, the task is performed automatically and we will get the desired output which we want. So moving on, let's download UiPath tool. So we will have to first go to cloud.uipath.com to download the UiPath tool. So let's move to the URL. There will be many options to sign into UiPath account. If you have a Microsoft account, then go with the option of Microsoft account option. And if you have a Gmail account, then go with continue with Google. So I have Gmail account. So we will be going moving ahead with this option. So we will be entering the Gmail ID. We will be entering the password. So here is the cloud version of UiPath, which is also called as orchestrator. So there will be a blue button, download UiPath Studio. We will go to that button. We will be clicking on that button. So we will be waiting until UiPath is being installed in the system. So let's wait till the UiPath is being installed in the system. So let's wait. It will take a while to get installed. So we will be waiting for that. We will be clicking on OK because and we will be launching UiPath Studio. We have successfully installed UiPath tool. We will be developing our bot in this UiPath tool. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel.